11:45 and on our way. So let's check out this room. We booked this the last minute, so we got an interior room, the last one. We got lucky. But we do have a problem. It was probably a cancellation, and so we took this room, and as you see, it's set up for 2 people, not 1. So we have 2 beds instead of 1. But once we talk to our steward, he will definitely take care of that. So if you ever have any problems, all you have to do is let them know, and they are happy to help. So it's about the same as other interior rooms that we've had. Kind of small. I don't know. The closets seem smaller too. So if you trade me, there's not much room to hang things. I mean, we have these little baskets that come out, and they're like little drawers, but yeah, it's different than what we usually have. We usually have more room for clothes to hang. Yeah, definitely different, but we'll see if I can get used to that. And then in here is the bathroom. A little small, of course, like I've said before, business. And here, check this door out. I like this door. Small, cozy. This is our home away from home for a week here on the Mardi Gras. So the ship has set sail, and we're hoping. Oh my goodness, check this out. And it's cold. I like it. New drawers. Thought maybe there might be a little cubby hole there. I have a few drawers here. That must be the hair dryer. And of course, as always, no smoking. And no, you shouldn't hang anything on that. But it's nice, it's cozy. A home away from home on the Mardi Gras. Join us when we check out the roller coaster and everything else. We've already ate at Big Chicken. Sorry, Shack's Big Chicken restaurant. It was really good. So join us on our cruise and tune in, subscribe, like, share. So bye for now.